Another completely free way to get really good backlink data is to go to SEOReviewTools.com, and the backslash is valuable backlinks checker. So what I really like about this tool is that it actually integrates with Ahrefs API. So you're actually getting Ahrefs paid backlink information, but you're getting it for free through this tool. So one caveat to this tool is that it only returns up to 100 backlinks. So a lot of pages on the web, obviously, they have way more than that. However, most pages on the web, they have less than 100 backlinks pointing to that individual page. So if you're analyzing by each individual page, you can search for one page and the next page and the next page, and then you can end up with a lot of backlink data. The nice part about if you're doing local SEO is that most local websites actually don't have that much backlink data. So I took totalplumber.com, for example, which ranks #1 in New York City or New Jersey, and I ran it through this tool here. So I simply added in the domain name, and I wanted to see all the pages in this domain. And what I ended up with is 36 referring domains. Overall, there were almost 2,000 backlinks, but the tool only returns one link per domain, which is okay because that's the way we want to do it. And since they're integrating with Ahrefs, they return the most important link. So it works out well. And then in this case, we actually have a list of all of the backlinks. And then if you scroll down, it's basically up to the number that we suggested. So that's all of the backlink data that Ahrefs has for this website. That's fantastic. Okay. I also showed an example of what happened if we went through uh, a bigger website, like the Linkio website. I have this article that talks about SEO tools. I ran it through the system, but instead of selecting all pages, I only selected this page, and I ended up with 18 referring domains, and here is that backlink data. Now, we need to export all this stuff into a text file or a CSV file. So what I ended up installing is a file or a Chrome extension called Link Clipper. That's Clipper with a K. You can just search for Link Clipper Chrome, install the extension, and then once you have it on your browser, I'll just extract all the links. You end up with a CSV file of all the links on this page. There's a lot of junk on here, but it's simple enough to filter out the junk. So I just hit filter. I want to remove uh, any junk here, so I just look for links that do not contain SEO review. So I'm getting off all the internal pages, and then I see that this is the URL that I started with. So here's the actual data that I care about. And then after this space, that's data I no longer care about. So here are the important links, these 19 links. And you can do the same thing with the plumber. If you have a local business and you're just extracting all the links, you're getting a CSV file. And I'm just doing a quick filter to clear out some of the junk so I can find the links that I actually care about a bit more easily. So this whole series is trying to help you get free backlink data. Just get it from multiple sources. In a previous video, I showed you how to get it from Google Webmaster Tools. Now I'm showing you how to get it for free, essentially through this SEO review tools website. So now we have this data, and then you're just going to keep building this into like a large text file, essentially. So you take the different backlink sources that you've been able to find, you put it into a text file, and then in a future video, I'll be showing you how to kind of sift through all that stuff and get the real data.